In this time, I discuss about very most important topic. This topic is properties of complex number. Okay. Properties of complex number. Okay. Please you understand. This is very most important topic. Okay. I explain in full topic. तो पिछले वीडियो में जो बात किया था तो it is complex number equation a plus ib iota b. Okay. It is imaginary, it is real part and it is imaginary part. Okay. इस वीडियो में मैं बात करूंगा properties of complex number. Suppose you understand on example, if okay, if a plus ib iota b is equal to a plus iota b is equal to 0. Okay. Next you understand a and b being real, then a is equal to 0. Okay, a is equal to 0. So b is equal to 0. Okay, b is equal to 0, and we have a plus iota b. A plus iota b is equal to 0. Okay, and a is equal to minus iota b. A is equal to minus iota b. Okay, and a square is equal to iota square and b square. Okay, and is equal to iota square is equal to minus 1. Always remember iota square is equal to minus 1. Okay, and iota is equal to root over 1. Okay, root over minus 1. So put it this value, iota is equal to minus 1 and minus b square. Okay, so a square is equal to minus b square, and hence a square plus b square is equal to a square plus b square is equal to 0. Okay, you understand both side you squaring. Next, a square is equal to minus b square and a square plus b square is equal to 0, and therefore a is equal to 0. Okay, and b is equal to 0. A is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. Since a b are always real. Okay, a and b, okay, are real. Okay, a and b are real. Next you understand, next example number 2, properties number 2. Okay, a plus if a plus iota b is equal to c plus iota d. Okay, and then a is equal to c and b is equal to d, and b is equal to d. A is equal to c and b is equal to d. Okay, and next we have a plus iota b. A plus iota b is equal to c plus iota d. Okay, and next a minus c. Okay, it is, you change this left hand and right hand. It is right hand to change left hand. A minus c. Okay, a minus c plus iota common. Okay, b minus d is equal to 0. Okay, it is real and it is imaginary part. Hence this, by this property we have ac is equal to 0, a minus c is equal to 0, and b minus d is equal to 0, b minus d is equal to 0. Okay, it is minus. Okay, b minus d is equal to 0, and next a is equal to c, and b is equal to d. Okay, a is equal to c and b is equal to d. Okay, it is, this both topic is very most important, this topic and this topic. Okay, both topic is very most important. And next topic, the algebraic sums of difference product of ratio of two complex number is a complex number. I repeat this topic. Okay, please you note down this topic. I provide this topic. Okay, this topic is the algebraic A L G E B R I C, the algebraic sum. Okay, difference difference, the algebraic sum difference Okay, product of ratio, product, product or ratio, ratio, product or ratio of of two complex number, complex number, complex number is a is is a okay, complex number is a complex number, complex number is a complex number, number. Okay, okay, complex. The algebraic sum, difference, product or ratio of two complex number is a complex number. Okay, first you understand z is equal to, suppose you understand z is equal to a1, z is equal to a1 plus iota b, z1 plus iota b1. Okay, and z2 is equal to a2 plus iota b2. Okay, z1 is equal to a1 plus iota b1 and z2 is equal to a2 plus iota b2. Okay, then this sum, algebraic sum, mean addition. Okay, so z1 plus z2, z1 plus z2 is equal to a1 plus a2, a1 plus a2 plus iota b1 plus b2, b1 plus b2. Okay, b1 plus b2, and which is a complex number, it is z1 minus z2 is equal to a1 minus a2, a1 minus a2, a1 plus a2, a1 minus a2 plus iota b1 minus b2, b1 minus b2. Okay, which is a complex number. Next, z1 into z2, z1 into z2 is equal to a1 a2, a1 a2 minus b1 b2, b1 b2 plus iota a1 b1, a1 b2 plus a2 b1. Okay, z1 into z2, it is this value a1 a2 minus b1 b2 plus iota a1 b2 plus a2 b1, and z1 plus z2 is equal to a1 plus a2 plus iota b1 plus b2, and z1 into z1 minus z2 is equal to a1 minus a2 plus iota b1 minus b2, and z z1 into z2 is equal to a1 a2 minus b1 b2 plus iota a1 b2 plus a2 b1. Okay, next z1 by z2, z1 by z2 is equal to a1 plus iota b1 by a2 plus iota b2. Okay, is equal to a1 plus iota b1, okay, into a2 minus iota b2. Okay, and next a2 plus iota b2. Okay, a2 plus iota b2 and a2 minus iota b2. Okay, and is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by a square 1 plus b square 1, a square 1 plus b square 1 plus iota, okay, iota a2 b1 minus a1 b2 by a square 2 plus a square 2 plus b square 2. Okay, square 2 plus b2, b square 2, which is a complex number. Okay, and next topic, the sum of product. Okay, it is very most important topic. It is a1. Okay, it is a1, okay, a1, and it is a2 plus b1 b2 by a square 1 plus b square 1 plus iota a2 b1 minus a1 b2 by a square 2 plus b square 2. Okay, next d number properties. Next topic, the sum and the product of two conjugate. The sum, okay, and the sum and product, product, the sum, sorry, the sum, okay, the sum and product, product, the sum and product of two, okay, of two conjugate, of two con conjugate, conjugate complex, plex, complex, okay, the sum and product of two conjugate complex number, number, number are both are both, okay, real, real, okay, both are real. Let the two let the two conjugate, conjugate, let the two conjugate complex number, complex, complex number, complex number, okay, let the two conjugate complex number be be it is a plus iota, b, okay, a plus iota b and a minus iota b, and a minus iota b, a minus iota b, okay, a minus iota b, and then a plus iota b, a plus iota b, okay, plus a minus iota b, a minus iota b is equal to 2 2a, okay, 2a, and which is real, the which is real, a plus iota b, a plus iota b and a minus iota b, a minus iota b, okay, a minus iota b is equal to a square minus iota square b square, a square minus iota square b square is equal to a square plus b square, a square plus b square, iota square means minus 1, okay, is equal to minus 1 and minus minus plus, okay, this is plus, so a square is equal to b square, a square plus b square, okay, square plus b square, which is real. Next, you understand the product of follow directly for the definitions of the complex number as an order pair of the real number a b, okay, a and b, it is a and b at the real number a and b. It is observed that the two conventions, it is observed that the two convention, it is observed the two conventions a plus iota b, a plus iota b, okay, a plus iota b, okay, and a comma b, and a comma b, okay, are equivalent if we simply replace, it is iota square, okay, iota square by minus 1, okay, minus 1 where necessarily. So it is very most important topic. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye. I uploaded next some important topic. This topic is geometrical representations of a complex number, Argan diagram. Okay. Geometrical representations of a complex number, Argan diagram. Okay. Next I talk about this diagram. Okay, this topic is geometrical representations of a complex number Argand diagram. Okay, it is point number P is equal to z is equal to x plus iota y, x plus iota y. Okay, z is equal to x plus iota y. Okay, and this is P dash point. Okay, it is z dash is equal to x minus iota y. Okay, x minus iota y. Okay, so thank you, take care, goodbye. I uploaded next some important topic, geometrical representations of a complex number. Okay.